Hello, welcome to Syncious. First, let's understand the Cloud HPC infrastructure. It is simply your high-performance computing system placed outside your organization's premises. Here are some examples of public cloud service providers. Similarly, many large organizations also having their private cloud infrastructure. This infrastructure is placed outside your premises, but the application users want to access and utilize these HPC machines very effectively. So, they need a highly secured SyncHPC hosting platform to use all components of Cloud HPC infrastructure, for example cloud data storage, HPC compute nodes, etc. Today, many users are performing their big computing application jobs and project on Cloud HPC with SyncHPC. Users can utilize any application on Cloud HPC. Now, let's see how to use LS-DYNA application. SyncHPC is a web browser-based platform and users can have a dedicated portal for their organization. With the user's ID and password, they can access it from anywhere at any time. This is a user profile screen of SyncHPC. Users can see the details of their deployed Cloud HPC cluster and other details. Now, let's go to the Scale Up and Scale Down screen. At this stage, users can scale up or scale down the number of running CPU cores as per their requirement. At the Submit Jobs, they can select any specific application from their list to run their jobs, and also they can check other details from available options. After selecting the application name, users need to follow some basic step to add the details of their jobs. They need to select the input file or other files from their respective storage. The next stage is to select the version of the application, and users can also add additional parameters if required. This is the final stage to submit the job. Users can also select Stop All Compute Nodes after the job completion option to save their HPC credits. Congratulations, you have submitted your job with these basic stages. Now you can see the nodes from the clusters have been activated. Let's go to Submit Jobs to monitor the job. Here, you can see your recent job, and at the Monitor Job option you can check the status of your job. Users can check all required basic details of their job, and they can also check the output of the job. This screen helps the user to check each step details, including the error if occurs. Syncious also provides other HPC hosting platforms like SyncVDI, SyncAPI, and SyncExplore. And for more details, please contact us.